Hey guys, I'm Annalie, and these are my two Dogo Argentinos, Daja and Diego. We just started living in our pickup truck camper and traveling the Pacific Northwest until we had a pretty rough accident in Portland. Unfortunately, my camper was declared a total loss. After 5 long days, we finally got the camper out of my friend's driveway, and the dogs and I venture out back into the world, camperless and essentially homeless. Today, we head south to Clearlake, California to visit my longtime friend, fellow Wisconsinite, and high school classmate, Brittany. Brittany has been there for me through some really rough times, and here she is again, taking us in and helping us through this mess that I got myself in. Hi, Daja. She's my little helper today. Oh, I got all this loaded by myself. Careful, girl. Watch out for this. Come this way. There you go. Good girl. You can come up. There you go. Diego. Daja, come this way. This way. Good girl. There you go. Good girl. Yeah, she's my little trooper. All right. Got my workout in this morning. Diego! He tried to get up here. He's not as graceful as his sister. But it's okay, buddy. You can stay right there. You don't have to come up in the bed, okay? So it is our last day. I think we're on day 5 at the Blackberry Castle, and it has been a wonderful time, but it is time for us to go. I am already so far behind on everything, and now it's time to go find a new house. Are we loaded up and ready to go? Come on, babies. Ready? It's very packed. Good girl. Good boy. Up, you two. Good job. You want some help? There you go. Goofy. All right, let's watch your tail. Good boy. All right, good boy. All right, ready to rock and roll, girl? Goodbye, Blackberry Castle. Let's try not to get caught at the end again. I am just hoping that I can beat this rain and my boxes don't get too wet. The sun's coming out. I'm trying to stay hopeful. I don't want to jinx myself, but what else could go wrong on this trip? For real. So it's raining and all my stuff is in the back of my truck. We're almost past these dark clouds and I think we're gonna make it. I think everything's gonna be okay. Right, Daja? She is so pissed at me that we've just haven't been on the adventures that we were planning. But we'll get there, baby girl. We'll get there. I promise. We will. I love you. Did I mention my tire pressure gauge is back on again? Oh my gosh, it's already starting. How do I get out of this? Yeah, my stuff is probably soaked. I think Diego's trying to find a spot to poop. He's like, I don't have a bush or shrub to poop on. He likes to poop on top of like shrubs. Did they? Oh, no, that one's mine. No. They're gonna get you your own though. Diego, no. Hey, wait. You guys gotta wait. Just wait. Oh my goodness, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys. Get in the back, please. Thank you. Good job. Good boy, good girl. That's so sweet. Oh, guys, you guys are silly. Thank you. Oh, just a honey mustard. We're good. Thank you so much. Got you. You're funny. There you go. This is perfect. Okay, so you see.
They're playing so hard.
Oh yeah. Hi guys. Hi. He's like, what?
It's like the park.
Hi. Oh, they're having so much fun.
So,
What are you doing?
those are her dogs.
You making friends? He likes you. He don't like me.
Yeah, they got really sweet disposition.
Thank you. Troublemakers, though, aren't ya? Aren't ya? Guys are so cute.
One more kiss. That's it, just one. Okay. Okay, one more hug. Have a hug. Okay.
Diego's like, where's
See, you be doing too much. Those are her dogs, baby. Those are her dogs. The dog's got to be like right on top of you for him to believe. Those are her dogs, baby.
Every time he hears me laugh, he's like, who are you?
I don't want another hug. I don't. Go play. Go play. Mommy don't want a hug. I'll hug you later. Okay, knock it off.
You's a good boy. You get him, bro. Tasha, who's a good girl?
Rip it around and everything? Okay, well, he was down there. And the owner and her were talking. And here he's got a TikTok.
Watch your nose. Watch it. I don't want you to burn your little whiskers. Don't do that. Don't do that. Crazy. He's so
Daredevil
curious. Very
Diego.
curious. Oh.